Alright, welcome to our practice trading today. We're on a demo account. We're starting with 54.95 on the balance. We're going to use a simple strategy of the line chart. We're going to keep the auto scroll going. We're going to go with the 5-second expiry. And we're going to use the SuperTrend on default, which is going to trigger really fast signals at the instant change of direction, and we're going to try to buy right after it prints. It prints very fast on these line charts. So we're going to go to our SuperTrend here, and we're on a Cardano OTC. We're going to try to hopefully take about 10 trades here, and we're going to try to take in the direction of the trend as soon as it prints. So let's get started here. We're going to wait for a trend change. We just missed that one, so we're going to wait, and we're going to set up for the higher if it comes. Okay, we took it right there. That's our first trade, and that is a tie. Down is already printed. We're going to take that. That's our second trade. We got in a little early on that one. That was our third trade, and that printed really fast as well. I think there it is right there. A little late getting in, lost that one, and now I'm losing track of how many trades. Okay, we just kept the higher one, and the lower print we didn't take because we were still finishing the higher one. Okay, it prints really fast as soon as it crosses that line, so we may try to take it as soon as it crosses the line. So of course we're going to get whiplashed here. We're on the back and forth quite a bit, where we're going to win some of them apparently. And let's take a little break and see how many trades we took so far. Okay, so we're getting a lot of back and forth here, and we notice that since it prints really fast, as soon as it crosses that line, we should just go ahead and try to jump in because it's going to print. Okay, so far we have 3, 6, 9 trades. Okay, we're going to take one more, and then we'll tabulate our rate of success. Okay, as soon as it crosses the red line, there it's respecting the red line. We are on the OTC. Okay, it crossed there, and a little bit of a late entry, and we're going to stop there. I think we have 10 trades. Okay, so looks like we probably did not even break even. Okay, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, maybe I need one more. 3, 6, 9. I need one more trade to get us up to 10. Okay, so we're going to take a down trade when it crosses right there, and it's going sideways, and we are going to win that trade. Okay, alright, so the reason we're taking 10, of course, is to get a good percentage. We don't want to take time to do 100 right now, but these are super fast signals. We went all the way to the M2, which is the shortest print, the quickest print on the time scale here. We went all the way down to M2, 2 minutes showed on the screen, roughly. Okay, so our final score is starting here on Cardano. We had this tie down here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 wins, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. So we had a 40% win. We had 50% loss and 10% tie. So 4, 5, and 1. Okay, so that's our record. All right. So that's it for that. We could always try this on a different time frame. We can go to M10, and that would give us a different look. We could try that right now. So when it prints or crosses, we will try to take it. Actually, I'm going to use a different currency here. I'm going to use something different so we can tabulate better. Okay, so we're on M10. We're going to take it when it prints, I guess. We're going to wait for it to print. It's going to take longer to print. Okay, it printed. We should probably try to take it a little bit earlier than that after it crosses the line. But we can set up the rules however we want to, but we'll try to stay consistent. Print right there. And hopefully that was a good entry. And that was 2 of 2. We're still on BNB OTC. We're trading late at night around midnight CST, Central Standard Time. And we're just going to wait for the prints to come in, okay? M10. Looks like it's pushing. And it did bounce off a little bit there, like it did before. It's a pretty strong level there. Okay, we're still waiting for the print. We did 2 out of 2. We have 2 wins. Of course, you can always examine how it behaved in previous trend changes and go off of that before you start buying in or out. Okay, we took one down. We lost that one. So 2 and 1 is our score. And we're just observing the behavior in detail here with the line charts. I feel like that was a good entry, but there's no guarantees. We got a tie. So 2, 1, and 1 is our record. 2, 1, and 1. Okay, we're just going to have to wait for it. We're not going to zoom in or out on the chart because that'll change our time scale of the M10 down here. 2, 1, and 1. So obviously we're going to get a lot of signals, but at the same time we still need to be patient for those signals. We're trying to do a rules-based, waiting for it to print, but we could take it right there, of course, which would have been a great idea in that case. All right, 2, 1, and 1. Now we're 2, 2, and 1, and we're about to get another print there. 2, 2, and 1, I should have said. Now we're 3, 2, and 1. Four, 2, and 1. Of course, these markets are real jittery. We lost that one at the last second, so 4, 3, and 1. 5, 3, and 1. So we're at 50%. Five, 3, and 1 on this strategy with the M10 instead of the M2. Five, 4, and 1. And 6, 4, and 1. Okay, 60% win, 40% loss, and 1 tie. So that's a pretty good record there, better than most. And that's where we're going to stop. Show you the result real quick with 5-second expiries on a line chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 6, and here's that tie. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. All right? All right, y'all take care. Have a great one, and we'll see you on the other side.